2024 BMW 3 Series. With less than 18,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear